Hello students of class 8 standard. Today's video is the continuation of electricity chapter. So few parts I have told, few parts today I will tell. So here first thing in this today's video, first I will tell you the three types of wires. One is called the live wire, or it is sometimes called the phase wire. Okay. Second one is the neutral wire. Okay, and third one is the ground wire. Okay, or sometimes it is called the earth wire also. Now nowadays system, these three wire have different colors. Actually these are mentioned here. A live wire is used. Live wire color is actually brown type of color it is used, and here neutral color, here blue color wire is used, and in the ground wire or in the earth wire the green or yellow color of wire is sometimes used. So that is not actually the factor here. The what is the function of these three types of wire: live wire, neutral wire, and ground wire? So one by one I will tell you. Before that I am just telling you few things that you have to remember. One thing, that resistance part, that I have already told in the previous video. Resistance part means what? Actually the opposing force or the opposing power for the flow of current. If the resistance is more in a particular portion, then the flow of current will be less on that portion. Suppose if you talk about, next thing is very important, that is called the potential. What is actually the potential? Potential means what? You all know that when the water is flowing, any liquid is flowing through a surface, then you have to mention one thing, that there should be a difference of pressure. Due to change in pressure, definitely the water or the liquid is flowing from the high pressure to the low pressure. Till the two side pressure will be equal, the liquid will flow. Here the same thing, like the pressure, the potential is doing in case of the flow of current. When the high potential is there, high potential, and whenever the low potential is there, then the flow of the direction of flow of current or the direction of flow of charge should be from higher potential to the lower potential. Suppose here 10, here 5, then current will flow. When both side will be 5, then the current will not flow on that case. So these all things you have to remember in your mind. So first thing I am telling you, the live wire. While you will talk about the live wire or the phase wire, it is basically the actually wire through which the main supply or main current is flowing. It is directly connected with the transformer with suppose 220 volt or sometime 440 volt. This type of voltage supply is given on that one, and through which through this wire current, I current is passing through that one. Okay, that means electrons are continuously passing through this wire. Okay, now this wire no need to ground. Here the resistance of this wire is less. Here resistance of this wire is very less, so that's why the current will flow through this wire with a very high speed. Okay, the unit of current is ampere. Okay, amp is the unit, in short form it can be written, that is the unit of current. Okay, this is the unit of current here. Now the next is very important, that is the neutral wire. While we talk about the neutral wire, actually in case of the transformer, suppose if you draw something like this way, one transformer position, I have just drawn the three different phases of transformer. Okay, here also 220 volt may be present, this portion. Here also 220 volt is present in this side, and here also 220 volt is present on this side. Now where is the neutral point? The neutral point is in this position. This position is actually the neutral. Okay, and rest all are the phase. Okay, this is two things we have to remember, one is phase, one is neutral. So this point is the neutral point. Now what is actually here the position? This neutral is always grounded in case of transformer, and from this side, this portion, one wire will come in our home appliances also, that is also the neutral point. So what is the actual function of that one? Suppose in this side 10 10 ampere. A is the unit of current, that is ampere. 10 ampere current is here, maybe 15 ampere current is here in this portion, and maybe in this portion 20 ampere current is present. So can you tell this one, this all portion is in balanced condition? Definitely it is not in balanced condition. Here you can see this is 10 ampere current is flowing through that one. How it can occur? Suppose in this portion you have connected only one tube light. Okay, suppose in this portion you have connected one maybe one TV you have connected, and in this portion maybe you have connected one AC, air conditioner. So definitely maximum amount of current will flow through this side. Here less amount of current, here little bit more amount of current than this one. So now if you take this one is the base portion, or if you take this one is the actual portion, the less amount, then you can see here 10, here 5, here 20. So this is unbalanced condition. All sides are not balanced here. So now the function of the neutral will come. Okay, try to understand that one. Neutral. So 10 ampere here 5 ampere more current is present this side, and here 10 ampere more current is present this side. If you take this one is 10 is the base, then here 5 ampere more current is passing, here 10 ampere more current is passing. So if you add this two, then definitely 15 ampere more current is actually present, which will flow through the neutral and it will go down to the actually ground. Okay, that is actually the function of the neutral. Okay, try to understand that one. Now what is the actual function in case of the house appliances? Now what is one basic very important question is repeatedly asked in the exam, that if you touch the neutral wire, will you get the shock? Definitely not. But you can see here that 15 ampere current is already passing through this neutral wire. Why it is not, why we are not getting shock while we will touch the neutral wire, that I will tell in the next video. Okay, so just till now I will just I have told this much, so try to just read that one. Okay, try to understand that one. Thank you.